Hello, everyone. Today I wanted to share a quick analysis that I put together in this spreadsheet, and this is going to be on equipment. Um, um, I really just focused on the top 4 equipment, which is the attack-based ones. And as you can see, I rank them in the order that you should build them. So, I struggle with this myself. As you can see, I only have one orange one, and then some white as placeholders. Here in the spreadsheet, I've listed essentially, what are the parts and at what level, what parts do you need? And then I've highlighted the rarer parts in this, peach, pink, and purple color. And then here I've highlighted, the stats that you get at each level. So the way you read this is radar level 1, you need tungsten steel and power pump. And just to show you that here, you can see that if you go to your develop, go to your radar, try to develop it, you'll see that, yep, there's tungsten steel, there's the power pump that you would need to develop a level 1. And the stats that it gives you is mid-range attack and long-range attack, which is here, stat number 1, stat number 2. And why I put this together, this view right here, is that for you to see kind of what to focus on. And it becomes clear from this analysis that, the coveted long-range attack, if that's your focus, most, 99% of the players focus on long-range account. There is a new mid-range focus player, but that's a select few that are elite premium players. Radar is the most important because at level 4, you get double the long-range attack stat. So you want to really focus on getting radar to level 4 first. And that means that you need to be critical about how you use your power pumps and how you use these consoles. So because radar uses power pump, that becomes more coveted. And what's interesting is that the third rare material circuit board actually isn't used until level 5. I could add the level of city required, but you can see that in the descriptions easily in the game enough. Level 5, you need city 30 to build. The second most coveted one that I think that you should build is apparatus. And the reason for that is you have that long-range stat. Third one would be computer, attack boost. And computer is a really interesting one because you can see here that the number of power pumps that you need total is 5 here, 3 here, 3, and here 1. So that's 12 power pumps that you need. Same thing with console. 5, you need actually 16 consoles. I think I missed. So you need more consoles than power pumps. And then circuit board, you need the least. So the console is the most needed item. Power pump would be the second one, and then circuit board. So keep this chart handy. I will share this as well. Keep this list handy. I found this to be very important and very critical in the sense that you want to hold off on building your reactor until you get your radar to the highest level, at least 4 or 5, because it's using the same parts of power pump and console. You could easily build up your circuit board a couple of levels, your computer a couple of levels without competing with the parts. So it's important to know which ones need the parts. And then also what's critical here is, as you can see here, as you try to take guesses or chances at upgrading your materials, you're more likely to take chances on the tungsten steel, these non-highlighted items, insulation coating. And just to give you a demonstration, look at develop. Let's see, you want to take your radar to level 5. You can see here, you're better off taking a chance with these being orange. Of course, I don't have these now. Rather than these. So just remember the left-hand side, easier to get orange. That's the more common materials, or these white ones, the tungsten steel, insulation coating, titanium alloy. The more rarer parts will be on your right-hand side. So if you do want to gamble, try to gamble with all of these being orange and all of these being purple. And never try to gamble with only gamble when you're trying to upgrade. Don't ever take the risk that an orange part will downgrade. Hope this analysis is helpful. This gives you a quick view of what equipment you need, and this is kind of the best way that you can use the equipment.